Peopleware welcomes you to the playlist of the Python learning course. In this video, we will learn about what's in the playlist, purpose of this course, audience for this course, prerequisites, career opportunities. Starting with what's in the playlist. In this playlist, we will include all topics of Python programming such as Python introduction, installation, control statements, strings, lists, tuples, dictionary, modules, exceptions, date and time, file I/O, programs, etc. Purpose of this course. This course introduces the reader informally to the basic concepts and features of the Python language and system. It helps to have a Python interpreter handy for hands-on experience. Audience for this course. Python programming is intended for students, software engineers, system analysts, program managers, and user support personnel who wish to learn the Python programming language. Prerequisites for this course. There are no such prerequisites to learn Python, but having a basic knowledge of any programming language concepts like what is a loop, what if and else does, how operators are used, etc. will be helpful. If you have strong command over the basics of any programming language, you can learn Python quickly. Career opportunities. Python creates opportunities for Python developer, automation engineer, Python full stack developer, research analysts, data scientists, quality assurance engineer, GIS analyst, data scientist, and others. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and do like and share if you learned something new. See you in the next video. Happy learning!